In this video, I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin on the buybitcoinworldwide.com website. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go on the buybitcoinworldwide.com website. Once you've done that, you should see country. You could pick any country you like, but for now, I'm going to pick Ukraine. Under Ukraine, you should see payment method. You could pick whatever payment you like. For now, I'll be using the payment method cash. So then it should pop up. We found 5 Bitcoin exchanges in Ukraine that accepts cash. They are local Bitcoins, BTCU.biz, Kuna, Bitcoin ATMs, and Mausoleum Local Trader. For local Bitcoins, you could click the blue button to read review or click the green button to buy Bitcoin. For BTCU.biz, you could click the green button to buy Bitcoin. It is the same as Kuna, Bitcoin ATMs, and Mausoleum Local Trader. So I'm going to end the video right here. To find more information, you could scroll down to the description to find out what this video means and go to the WeUseCoins website. And I'll see you on my next video.